Hi, I'm Hanna Terlecka. I'm the Director of Quantum Research, Interdisciplinary Science and Education Center, QRISE at MTSU. So why quantum? Why now? Quantum science and emerging quantum technologies are the United States priorities which are going to impact a wide range of economy, ranging from cybersecurity, computing, energy, materials, even security and defense. Here at MTSU, we are building a quantum technology hub which brings together Oak Ridge National Lab from Eastern Tennessee, Quantum Chattanooga from Southeast Tennessee, data science centers from Memphis and uniting with Nashville Economic Development Region to build Tennessee-wide quantum ecosystem. At QRISE, we design educational training programs which includes hands-on training, experiential learning, and interdisciplinary collaboration for students and faculty to develop Tennessee quantum-ready workforce. This is to address national but also global challenge in developing quantum-ready talent. QRISE Center is where discovery meets opportunities through innovation, talent training, and developing Tennessee quantum ecosystem. It's more than research, it's momentum, it's QRISE.